There are always lots of people commenting on what the trends are each and every year, and today I want to share with you my take on the 2020 trends for the bathroom space. First one, tapware as a feature is more than ever a trend with so many options available. I mean, we have champagne, we have gold, we have rubbed bronze, black, antique blacks. Oh my gosh, and of course we still have all of our stainless finishes. So mixing metals and mixing finishes is also a huge one. No longer does everything need to match. I like to limit my metals in a space to 2 different styles, either a gold and a black or an aged gold and an aged bronze. They would be my favorite. Trend 2. Pattern tiles are here to stay and will even start to creep into more modern looking homes super soon. Number 3, freestanding vanities with colour to soften the sometimes clinical spaces of bathrooms and give that real sense of comfort. So there you have it. That is what I'm thinking you will be seeing more of in 2020 and a little bit beyond. Be inspired. Thanks for joining me. Did you know I wrote a book all about renovating to create wealth and freedom in your life? I've added the link below in the description for you. Enjoy.